Hey, this is John Strauman from Microsoft's Mighty South region. Today we're going to look at how I connected the Microsoft Return to Work solution with the ability for employees to send in COVID-19 vaccination record cards, and Power Automate actually does all the processing. So the use case is that employees send in their COVID vaccination cards via email. So if we look here, I've got an email here with the name COVID vaccination card, the attachment, and it says, here's my vaccination card. And Abby Gardner is actually an employee in the Return to Work solution. And here's a picture of the COVID vaccination card. And then if we look at the employee's records, what will happen is when the email is received, a vaccine attestation will be created for Abby Gardner's record in the return to work solution. So let's watch this run. I've got my flow here and I'm going to save it. And once it's done saving, we'll click the test button. And once we see our spinner, we know we're ready to test. And I'll click send, and that should kick off the flow and do all the processing for us. So this is actually using an AI builder model that I created to process COVID vaccination cards and pull information out of the cards. It can detect if there's a QR code, and if so, we could send that QR code off for verification to a federal body, or we can just upload the information. The automation is actually going to upload the information into the Return to Work solution as a vaccine attestation, and it's going to save the COVID vaccination card itself to our corporate intranet on OneDrive for Business. Okay, so we see all our green check marks in our flow, which means our flow has successfully run. So let's look at what happened. First of all, we got an email from the central mailbox saying that the COVID vaccination card for Abby Gardner was received. The card does not have a QR code, so our AI builder model can determine if a QR code is there or not, and it has copied all the information from the vaccine card and put it in the body of the email. The next thing it did is uploaded the vaccine card for our secure intranet on OneDrive for Business. I can take a look at the card right there. And there it is. And the last thing it did was it should have added a vaccine attestation to Abby Gardner's record. So I just hit a refresh there and I look at Abby Gardner. Go to vaccine attestations. And we've got a new vaccine attestation record added by the automated worker. And you'll see that I did a couple of things here. First, I uploaded the vaccine card as part of the record itself. And I also put a link to the vaccine card file in OneDrive. And then I actually, the automation actually added a note with the vaccine card attached as well. So I showed three possible solutions there. You can pick and choose which one you want to use. So the benefit to our customers here is that we see all of this was done by an automated worker, and all an employee has to do is simply mail in his or her vaccination card, and the automated worker processes all the information. It can tell if some of the information isn't valid, like if some of the fields are missing, but if all the information is there, as the case here, it goes into the Microsoft Return to Work solution built on top of Dynamics 365, of course, and creates the vaccine attestation. And you see that it actually copied the information from the vaccine card into the vaccine attestation as well. So lots of benefit for our customers here. I hope you found that interesting and look forward to more videos coming soon.